Hello everyone, it's Adriana Harlan and it's so nice to be here once again to show you how to make another healthy and delicious recipe. So today we're making almond flour banana muffins that have lots of banana flavor, are moist, soft, and super fluffy on the inside, topped with a buttery crumb topping. You guys gave me so much good feedback after I showed you how to make my coconut flour banana muffins that I think these almond flour banana muffins might just become your new favorite muffins. Just a quick note before we get started that the written recipe for these almond flour banana muffins is posted on my website at livinghealthywithchocolate.com, and I put the link for you guys in the description of this video. The first thing we're going to do is mix the dry ingredients in a bowl, so begin by adding the almond flour. Almond flour is one of the best gluten-free and grain-free flours for baking because it gives baked goods like cakes, muffins, or breads the best taste and texture. Some brands call it almond meal. It's the same thing, basically just almonds ground up into fine powder, but we want to make sure we use blanched almond flour for baking. Basically that means that the skins have been removed, and that helps to bind the ingredients when you make a recipe without the product sinking in the middle. I already taught you how to make blanched almond flour on another video, so be sure to check that out. Next, add to the bowl some baking soda and salt. Give it a quick stir, and let's mix the wet ingredients in another bowl. We're gonna start by mashing some overripe bananas. We want to use exactly 233 grams of banana in this recipe so that our muffins have just the right amount of moisture. So I recommend you measure your banana by weight using a scale for best results. If you don't have a scale, use measuring cups, chop the bananas into little pieces, and fill the measuring cup to the top. You'll need 1.5 cups. Next, add to the bowl the sweetener, which is optional since the bananas are already sweet. I'm using just a tablespoon of raw honey, melted butter or coconut oil, and an egg. And give it a whisk to combine the ingredients. Let's add the almond flour in the bowl with the banana mixture and gently stir to form the batter. I'm also going to chop some pecans to give my muffins a nice crunch. Add it to the bowl and give it a quick mix. Now line your muffin pan with paper cups if you like, or you can bake them without the paper and just grease the pan with butter or coconut oil. Fill each to the very top with the batter. And let's make a beautiful crumb topping to sprinkle over our muffins. This is super simple. Add to a bowl almond flour, cinnamon, butter or coconut oil, and use your fingers to mix everything together. This crumb topping is delicious, super crumbly with a lovely hint of cinnamon, and you can even add some maple or coconut sugar to make your muffins a little bit sweeter. Bake in a preheated oven to 350 degrees for about 18 to 20 minutes, or until a stick inserted into the center comes out clean. Set the pan over a wire rack to allow the muffins to cool. These are the perfect healthy grab-and-go snack or breakfast that you can make for your family in just a few minutes with those overripe bananas that you have at home. Look at how crumbly and fluffy these muffins are. Let me show you here the inside. The banana flavor is amazing. The muffins have just the right amount of sweetness, and these crunchy pecans are so good. If you want to make these banana muffins, wow, they really smell good. Go print the recipe on my website, and also check out this amazing almond flour banana bread next. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.